case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
The United States District Court for the Southern District of New York was tasked with the compelling legal case, Aguilar versus Immigration and Customs Enforcement Division of United States Department of Homeland Security in 2008. The case spotlighted the complex world of electronic document authenticity and accountability, revolving around the question of metadata's discoverability in litigation. This riveting class action lawsuit brought forth by over 30 Latino plaintiffs accused ICE of violating their Fourth Amendment rights through unlawful home searches. In hopes of substantiating their accusations, the plaintiffs pushed for the disclosure of metadata, the hidden electronic history of a document, from Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. The disclosure was projected to reveal potential evidence of improper training and supervision of ICE employees, lack of probable cause, or unconstitutional home searches committed by ICE. Initially, the plaintiffs had not demanded metadata, and the defendants, in response, had supplied their documents devoid of this data. As the lawsuit intensified, however, the tide turned. In an unexpected move, the court sided with the plaintiffs, granting their motion to compel the production of metadata from Word and PowerPoint files. Despite the pivotal victory, the court's decision came with a provision: the plaintiffs must bear the financial burden of a second production of these documents. Nevertheless, the defendants found themselves instructed to produce email and spreadsheet metadata, given that the plaintiffs agreed to cover the associated costs. To further deepen understanding, the court authorized a live demonstration of the text system. Yet the plaintiffs' request for DAX metadata was denied. In the complex, detailed world of electronic document litigation, the Aguilar v. ICE case serves as a riveting example. The crux of the matter: that the discoverability of metadata was crucial if found to be relevant and not privileged, and must be produced in a reasonably usable form, as adequately highlighted by this legal twist.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.